Okay, today we'll be talking about alignment. We're talking about alignment on Figma. Alignment on Figma. You see, UI UX is a very interesting um, skill to learn. A very interesting skill to learn, and alignment plays a vital role in your design. It plays a vital role in your design. So today we'll be looking at alignment, in O. Okay. If you remember, when we were talking about fundamental of UI UX, we talked about alignment there. So today I'm going to stretch it a little bit longer. And because from alignment, we are going to another thing, constraint. We are going to constraint in alignment, which is if you don't get this, you won't be able to get that. So I want you to listen very carefully and follow me as I explain. Please, if you don't understand what I'm trying to say, if you have questions for me, you can use the comment section as I will reply you. And in the coming video, I will also, give you a shout out. Okay, my name remains Emmanuel. I'm a content creator, a content designer, and front-end developer, graphic designer. And today I'll be your tutor. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Kindly subscribe, please. And if you're returning subscribers, you are the best. No, you are the best. You are the best. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, now, alignment. Look at what we are having here. We are having this alignment, this left, center, and right. Top, center, and bottom. And here I said, alignment is a design principle that refer lining up text or graphic on a page. Alignment is a design principle that refer lining up text or graphics on a page. In the diagram above, we have left vertical center, right, top horizontal center, and bottom alignment. I don't teach theory. Let's go to the practical. Let's go to the practical. Okay, here I'm having some little resources I gather online. You can as well, check online for stuff like this. So I'm going to be using this to explain what alignment is. And let's let's pick a frame. Let's pick a frame. I'll use my F as shortcut, and let's pick a frame. Which frame should we pick? Mm, let's go for desktop. I kind of like this TV. Yeah, this one. Let's go for that. Okay, now here I'm having an image that says that's look like someone holding pencil, like a warlord holding pencil because of that hand is big, like he can holding a pencil. Okay, now and the text we are having is we are nothing but pencil in the hand of the creator. Namaste. Namaste. Okay, now we are going to design this, and I'm going to use this to explain what alignment is. Firstly, we'll be looking at text alignment. So let's pick our circle by pressing O, your circle, and let's adjust this. Let's make it 450 to have a round figure, and let's bring it to the center. I think this is lovely. I'm going to duplicate this. Duplicate. And I'm going to bring my circle over here. Nice one. I'm going to bring it over here. I'll max it with this one. I think my circle is a little bit bigger. So I'm going to still max it. So come down here to max and then use max. So you can come to your image and adjust your image to the max, adjust it to the max, something like that. I'm going to come down here to the second one. That's where I have the duplicate, and I'm going to add a drop shadow to that. You see why I'm having why I'm having a duplicate under it, just for this particular purpose. Now this is looking good. This is looking good. Now we're going to come down here, come come down here, I'll make this, black. Okay, so make it black. I'll just pick my color from here. I don't want absolute black. 1E, 1E, 1E. So I'm going to break this down like pencil, and okay, something like that. Approve and bring it like this. Now, this is where our alignment starts from. This is where our alignment starts from. Let me zoom in so I can see, what we are doing. Okay, this alignment is left. This is center. This is right. But you cannot really see what is going on there. You can't really see what is going on there. So I'm going to come back inside and I'm going to make this 32 is too much. So let's use 24. Okay. So to make you understand what is going on, I'm still going to break this a little bit down a little. I'm going to break it one more time. So now look at what we are having here. Now, if I come here and I say center, see, this is alignment. Come here and say right, flow here. This is center, this is left, and this is what? Right. Now, if you come down here, there's another here called justify. So I prefer to just use these three, but for right now, we're going to use left because our work is flowing like this. So I'm going to increase this back since I think breaking it really solved that issue. Okay, and let's make this thing bold. Okay, now see what we are having. Lovely, right? I'll go for my second write-up. Meanwhile, this write-up, it's not as if it's having one particular meaning like that. This adage has gone way back to my childhood. Those people in Nigeria will understand what I'm saying better. We have a TV show having this particular quote, Papa Jasco. We are like, you are nothing but pencil in the hand of the creator. It rings bell, right? That's everybody in Nigeria knows that TV show. If you are having a Nigerian guy, around you, and you mention Papa Jasco and he's not, like having any idea of what you are saying, that person is not a Nigerian guy. Or probably that person is like, giving you attitude. Some people will want to lie about where they are from. You have to be proud of where you are from. So I'm proud of Nigeria, Sha. I know we are not the best, but we are getting there. So let's come back to our class. This is a quote. Meanwhile, I copied this from someone. It's not really my idea. I copied this from online because I was looking for something to explain this, and it's talking about the same thing. So I just think, why not? Let me bring it over to you people to see. So I'm not claiming ownership of this quote. Okay, now this is our quote, and we are true. Now I want to explain something to you. We've explained text alignment, right? Now let's look at content alignment. Content alignment is what we have in here. See, let's say let this thing align center. See, content alignment will look at the size, size of the first one and the second one, and kind of maintain it. Okay, let's say this is my hand, and I'm saying, okay, align center. If I'm saying align left, I'm saying, okay, the two of you move to the left. It's very from text. I'm talking about container this time around. For those people that are into web development, we call it div. Okay, div, exactly. We are in web development, we have what we call align self, align item. We're having justify content, justify item, among others. So exactly what we're having here. Text alignment. These are text alignment. Text alignment is what I showed you the other time. It's there from content alignment. Content alignment is like you telling two containers, okay, align these two containers. Align these two containers. And that's exactly what we are doing here. We are saying, okay, align this container to the left. Align these two containers to the what? To the center horizontally. And if I come down here and say align these two containers vertically, to make the two and try to align them on a straight line. See, it will kind of, make the two, I want to put them on a straight line, which is not what we are doing. I want it to be on the left. So you can decide, okay, let's move it to the right. You see, the remaining space here, this space will be having a straight line, while the leftover space will be here. If I move it here, this place will have a straight line, while the leftover will be here. If I say center, there will be equal space here. This is just justify item in web development. Justify item. Justify item, let's say these are justify item and these are alignment. I'll find time to maybe give you the correlation between this and web development, but for now please let's stick with this. So this alignment, this will go to the left, this will go to the right, this will go to the, this will go to the center, this will go to the right, and we are now having another top, bottom. Okay, if we say align top, the two of them will go to the top, they will move up. It's like they're pushing it up. Say, okay, align, don't move beyond this boundary, go. I want the two of you to just move to the top. And this time around, if you are saying the two of them should move to the top, they're kind of killing the work because the two of them just move to the top. You see, this theory is different from what we have in here. This is another section entirely. So if you're saying, okay, go to the center, the two of them will move to the center. And if you're saying go to the bottom, the two of them will come down to the bottom. Okay, we're having another here called more option. This more option is kind of another thing entirely, because if you come down here, you see we're having nothing. But instead of that, I'll kind of explain what we're having here. We're having space between. What we're saying here is the space between this text and this. And let's say the space should be like, if you say 50, see, the space between it, these two, is what, 50, which I don't really fancy. I think let's use 30. And yes. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing. I will align this, I will group it, and I will ask it to align center with this. Let's remove this. I will ask it to move to the center of this. Now, see the magic. Move to the center. See? To just arrange itself, and the work is done. And let's move, sorry, I'm going to move the remaining one. And no, we don't need that, those right up. We don't need those right up. So see, voila, it's done. We are nothing but pencil in the hand of the creator, and the design is done. So for those that want paparazzi, you can now add maybe some design here. Maybe some people do not like plain design. Some people still want to maybe add some shapes, stuff like this. Let's say, let me go to my shape tool. For me, I just prefer, give me simple design. Simple. I don't hard all this. No, I just want something simple. Let me just pick shape. If you look at my social handle, you see most of my design are always simple. No, I don't like it when you're having them crowded. No, I don't fancy crowded design. Fancy it simple and direct. Give me simple and direct. So you can bring this here. You can bring this here, and then have this, just simple. You don't have to just load them up with chunks. And let's give it our color. So you can put this, let's say you put this here, something around here. So just to give it some kind of ginger. And do it anyhow you like, but that's alignment. That's alignment. Text alignment is different from content alignment. Text only deal with the text. Content, you deal with the container. Deals with what? Container. So, and this is how alignment work. Now our next video, I'll be going deeper into what alignment really does in design, because this is not the bus stop. You see our in-depth of what alignment really does. Once again, I remain my humble self. Please subscribe, share our video, and support us any way you can support us. Let me know in the comment section if you remember what this quote, what it means to you, and good old memories. Here we are. Those small boys then, we are now grown up now. Yo, thank you very much. I am my humble self, Emmanuel. See you in the next video. Thank you.